How do you convert a discrete line to continuous in Tableau? Let's take a look. In my view, I have a line chart with sales by month. It's a discrete month. To change this into continuous, I'm going to click the drop down on the blue pill. Blue tells you that it's discrete. And I'm going to choose a continuous version of a date. The top part above the line on this view is going to be discrete. So this is discrete year, discrete quarter, discrete month, discrete day, and so on. Below the line is continuous versions of each date. So we have continuous year, continuous quarter, continuous month, etc. So let's change this to continuous month, and I have the continuous version of a line chart. Hope that helps.